What's up, Sphere Squad? Get ready, because we're kicking things off with a bang. Oracle Corp has dropped another bombshell this week, and this one is huge. The tech giant is looking to raise an astonishing $15 billion in a massive bond sale, according to Bloomberg News. This move comes as Oracle gears up to heavily invest in its cloud infrastructure, especially to meet the soaring demand for AI. But that's not all the Oracle news shaking up the tech world. We're also diving into the intense debate around Oracle's valuation. While some analysts, like Nenad, are sounding alarms about it being overvalued, others see a different picture, pointing to a strong growth trajectory powered by AI. We'll break down what this means for the future of Oracle and its stock. And speaking of Oracle, the headlines just keep coming. They're reportedly looking to raise that massive $15 billion in corporate bonds, potentially including a rare 40-year bond, just weeks after inking a historic AI infrastructure deal with OpenAI. This massive funding push is all about fueling their ambitious cloud and AI expansion plans. Now, let's switch gears from the boardroom to the soccer field. We're celebrating a spectacular senior day for the SUNY New Paltz Hawks men's soccer team. They absolutely dominated, taking down St. Joseph's University Long Island with a decisive 4-0 victory. We'll highlight the standout moments and the graduating players who led the charge. Stick around for all the details and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Oracle's $15 billion bond bonanza. Oracle Corp is making waves again this week, this time with a colossal $15 billion bond sale announcement that has the financial world buzzing. This isn't just pocket change. It's a massive play by the tech titan to fuel its aggressive expansion into cloud infrastructure, driven by the insatiable demand for artificial intelligence. The timing is critical, as Oracle is already on the hook for monumental cloud deals with giants like OpenAI and Meta Platforms Inc. These partnerships are projected to cost Oracle hundreds of billions of dollars over the next few years, just to rent and power the necessary data centers. This bond sale is clearly a strategic move to secure the capital needed for these ambitious projects and to solidify its position as a key player in the AI revolution. Despite the news, Oracle shares saw a slight dip, but with its stock nearly doubling this year, this move signals a long-term vision for growth and dominance in the cloud computing space. The market is watching closely, with analysts weighing in on whether this significant capital raise is a sign of strength or a signal of future financial strain. The sheer scale of the investment required for AI infrastructure is unprecedented, and Oracle's approach is being scrutinized by investors and competitors alike. But what does this mean for the company's valuation, and could it signal a shift in the AI landscape? Stick around as we break down the numbers. Next up, we're diving into the Oracle valuation, debate that's got everyone talking. Oracle's valuation roller coaster. Is Oracle stock a golden ticket or a risky bet? The debate is raging. While one prominent narrative, championed by analysts like Nenad, suggests Oracle is significantly overvalued, trading well above its core business assumptions, another perspective is emerging. This aggressive valuation narrative is built on ambitious growth forecasts and future business bets, painting a picture of a company pushing the boundaries of profitability. However, the reality could be more complex. The sheer intensity of cloud competition and the execution challenges in the rapidly evolving AI space could easily trigger a sharp reversal if Oracle's ambitious growth story hits unexpected turbulence. But here's where it gets interesting. A different analysis, using the SWS DCF model, suggests Oracle might actually be undervalued. This challenges the notion that all the current optimism is already baked into the stock price. The question remains, which perspective holds true? We'll explore the specific strategies and forward-looking assumptions that are creating this significant valuation gap, and whether Oracle's long-term innovation plans can truly justify its current market standing. This financial tightrope walk is intense, but the news doesn't stop there. Get ready for another massive Oracle play that's making headlines. Next, we're talking about that $15 billion bond sale and what it means for their groundbreaking AI deals. Oracle's $15 billion funding frenzy. Fresh off a landmark AI infrastructure deal with OpenAI, Oracle is reportedly making another massive move: a $15 billion corporate bond sale. This colossal fundraising effort, detailed by Bloomberg News citing insider sources, could feature up to 7 tranches, including a rare 40-year bond, signaling a bold long-term strategy. The timing of this bond issuance is particularly noteworthy. It comes just weeks after reports surfaced of a massive deal where Oracle would supply OpenAI with $300 billion worth of compute power. The question of how such an enormous undertaking would be financed immediately followed, making this bond sale a critical piece of the puzzle. Oracle is also reportedly in talks with Meta Platforms for a substantial $20 billion compute deal, further underscoring the immense capital required for these AI-driven ventures. This financial push also coincides with a significant leadership transition. Safra Catz is stepping down as CEO after 11 years to become executive vice chair, with Clay Magwiak and Mike Sicilia taking the helm as co-CEOs. This strategic funding and leadership shift positions Oracle to aggressively pursue its ambitions in the booming AI and cloud computing markets. The market will be watching to see how effectively Oracle deploys this capital to meet its commitments and drive future growth. From multi-billion-dollar deals to athletic triumphs, we've got it all covered. Coming up next, we're celebrating a fantastic Senior Day victory on the soccer field. Hawks soar on Senior Day. It was a truly triumphant Senior Day for the SUNY New Paltz men's soccer team this Saturday, as the Hawks delivered a commanding performance, defeating St. Joseph's University Long Island with a decisive 4-0 victory. The pre-game ceremony honored 8 graduating student-athletes, including key players like midfielder and captain Alex Wyant and defender Luca Giammarino, who were celebrated alongside their families. But the real celebration kicked off once the whistle blew. From the opening minutes, the Hawks dictated the pace, demonstrating incredible control and offensive pressure. The breakthrough came in the 33rd minute when Ryan Bachensky, assisted by Brian Lizama, headed home the opening goal from a free kick set up by David Acker. SUNY New Paltz didn't stop there, adding 3 more goals in the second half. Brandon Danilil tapped in a goal assisted by Kieran Weber, who then scored one for himself after a rebound. Capping off the spectacular performance, Alex Wyant struck the ball past the Golden Eagles goalkeeper to secure the 4-0 win. Goalkeepers Matt Katz and Cody Baker shared the shutout, with Katz making 3 saves. This dominant performance was a fitting tribute to the graduating seniors and a strong start to their conference play. What an incredible display of teamwork and spirit. Stay tuned for our lightning round recap, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And that's a wrap on today's Sphere update. We saw Oracle making massive moves with a $15 billion bond sale, debated its complex valuation, and celebrated the SUNY New Paltz Hawks' dominant 4-0 Senior Day soccer victory. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more cutting-edge tech and sports news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social platforms and let us know in the comments what you think about Oracle's AI investments. Until next time, stay informed and stay connected.